So welcome to App Lab. This is the first time that some of you guys are going to be seeing this design tab. So we're not going to worry about this coding section at all, but you guys will see this in the future. So the design modes allows you to use all these things we call elements. There are 9 or 11 elements right here. We have buttons, we have text inputs, we have labels, we have drop-down menus, which are inputs. We have sliders. We have all of this cool stuff. And the way it works is you can simply drag it on the screen and create new elements. But for this lesson, we're going to have to really look at these elements on here. So as I move my mouse around this screen, it gives me an ID. If you guys can see that, the ID for this one is called info label. So when I click on this, it gives me all of the widths, the heights, and the positions of this element. One thing that I really want to point out, this ID is a very descriptive name. So we can see the color swatch, red button, blue button, purple button. Those all match to something that this button's going to do. Title label, next button. So these are all important things. If we want to change anything about these labels, we can actually click on them and change the text in here. So I'm just going to mess around with this, and I'm going to change the color to be blue. So whenever we click on an ID, you can change something about it. So for this one, you could change what the image is right here. For this one, you could change what the text says, or like the color of the text. You could add a border. And that red border came up. It's all cool stuff. So that's just the basics on 2.2. Why don't you try to change some things?